On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Honor Gang. What is going on, everybody? Wow. Have you guys seen BNB? Holy smokes. Is that not a tell? Is that not a tell? BNB to the absolute moon, flipping XRP. Solana ETFs coming out in 3 days. And we're just here clicking buy and sell successfully. How we all doing? Good morning, gang. Let's jump into the charts. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful, beautiful, gorgeous morning. I'm in a great mood. I mean, I absolutely slayed the charts yesterday. Happy days. Coming down, hitting our pink box last night. Oh, man. Last night, you guys all hit that pink box. You guys literally get up at 4 a.m. to hit that pink box, man. I don't know. You guys may have a problem. But whatever you're into, guys, if you're hitting pink boxes at 4 in the morning, I mean, I really, now that I'm a father and a husband, I ain't searching for no pink boxes at 4 in the morning. I really enjoy my sleep. Put a 1 in the chat if you really enjoy your sleep. Put a 2 in the chat if you're searching for pink boxes at 4 in the morning. I need to know. What's going on, everybody? Duality C, Steve Hickey, more like Quick Smoker. What's going on, guys? Yeah, more like C's. Reaper, Poncho, DJ Mac, Dusty Hunt, Alexandra G. Gear, Afkus Johnson. Good morning, guys. Chantel, how's it going, Chantel? Wody, Afkus, God bless. Pat, what's going on? Poncho Villa, Jeff Carlson. My man Brewberry's in the chat. What's going on, bro? Are you on mountain time like me? Or are you like even earlier? Are you an hour earlier than mountain time? Man, you're a real one. Albert, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Mark Gustafson, Milan, Steve Hickey, Async, B-Rad. Hamidreza, what's going on, man? Melissa, good morning, Melissa. How you doing? Good to see you in the chat. Fabriel Al Jr. Yotis, good morning. John Foster, Crypto Patrice. Andrew Ingram, good morning. Dragonfly D, F-Bomb, Curtis Hill, JR's in the chat. What's going on? Nick Offshore, Alex B. Yacinda. Good morning, Joshua Parr. Sorry, Alex B. Great name. Gang, gang, gang. Michael Paul. Sniper's Nightmares in the chat. Behave yourselves now. Behave yourselves. Genty Albert. Cajun Crypto. PB Stack. Andrew Ingram. Patrick Swayze. Morning. Good morning. He's out hunting the pink box at 3 in the morning. Oh man, you guys are nasty. I love it. Good morning, everybody. How we all doing? Yo, what's going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning. Duality C, Blair Stevenson, up only. Brett L, good morning. AJ Patrice, good morning, good to see you. Leave no evidence, Massey. What's going on, guys? Good morning, everybody. Andrew Cameron, Crypto Mike. Good to see you, man. How you been? We should have kept our 200 BNB. Yeah, I know. I know, man. Same with TRB, man. When we were trading TRB at like, what was it, $20 or something like that? Crazy. TRB? No, TRB. We were trading TRB. Have you guys heard of TRB? Yeah, $8. $8. It went to oh, fuck. Oh, man. She got away, man. She got away. That's all right. We're doing all right. Well, the sale starts today, guys. You really, I'm telling you, you guys do not have to join, okay? You guys do not have to join. This is the last sale. Then it goes into the final form, okay? It goes into Frieza, final form, Goku, Super Saiyan 5, whatever you're into. It's the final sale. And then you guys can do what you want. Then hopefully the price keeps people away. The mods and I have decided. I'm not blaming the mods. But the mods want a Christmas bonus too. No poll today. I did forget the poll today. Now, what should the poll be, guys? Are polls good? Depends on your profession. I normally have the best polls, okay? I'm not one of these guys who goes up or down, okay? I'm not an up and down kind of guy. I want the people to anonymously tell me their secrets. That's what a poll is meant for. Because you can admit your bad habits. Oh, this is a good idea. My bad is biting nails, farting. Nothing's funnier than a fart, guys. Picking nose. Using too much leverage. There we go. You can confess here without having to confess here. That's what my polls are for. My polls are for you guys to really feel at home. You know? It's like a confession booth. I ain't one of these YouTuber guys who are like, man, up or down? Up or down, guys? Up or down? Which way we're going? I don't care which way it's going, man. We're here to click buttons and make money. We'll figure it out. Since moving to Alberta, I pick my nose a lot more because it's dry here, so it's like you just naturally. I caught my wife the other day with her finger like in her brain, and I was like, yeah, I get it, girl. I love you. I still love you, and I'll still you know? You're biased, bullish, or bearish for the next few days. So I am aware-ish. However, Smoking. Yeah, I quit smoke. Now you can't tell a smoker. I smoked 2 packs a day for 15 years. Do not tell a smoker to quit smoking, man. I get it. If I could keep smoking, I would be. I'd be here hacking a dart. I'd be hacking a dart with you right now. It took me almost two years to quit smoking. Every smoker wants to quit, guys. Don't get it twisted. I ain't the smoker who tells the smoker to quit. You guys are those people who are telling smokers to quit. You guys are douche canoes. I get it. I smoked for 15 years. Okay? I get it. Hardest thing to quit ever. I understand. Yeah. The only reason why I don't smoke now is because I know how hard it was to quit. Okay? Just trade Sol. Let's just trade Sol. I mean, guys, Sol is my little mistress lately. I mean, I had like a I was absolutely just Sol was just my absolute. This is my last trades, guys. I'm just prepared to lose. I'm prepared to lose. That's me. I'm here prepared to lose. I had like a $4,000 day yesterday. You know, and it's not me bragging here. It's just me here being honest. I'm having a good little run at it. Is it going to end? Yeah. Do I practice good risk management so I'm going to enjoy it? Hell yeah. You know? So Crow. What's Crow saying? Crow, breakout, retest, continuation, guys. Okay. You really want to see a market structure change in here. These are the kind of setups. I mean, you had this set up on the Discord, but obviously it came in, it bounced, it came in, it bounced. So it's still trying to hold this area here and still trying to push up. There's a freebie, guys. Merry Christmas. Even though it's not Christmas. Happy Halloween. All right? Happy Habit Day. How about that one? All right? Here's a freebie. Discord, I'm sorry. It is the last time to lock in this price though. Prices have gone up. I've already changed the prices. On the Discord. We're going double otter. I like 88. We were thinking about what number. 88. You know what? And 88. So 88 is the new price. Obviously, we have a sale on for 65 right now. But if you think about it, otters are always in twos, right? Look at the schlong on this guy. You got. This is what I thought. This is called bad marketing, but it works. Okay. This is the price right here. You see? See what I did? 88. Now we do have it on sale for 65. So last time you'll get 65. I promise you that. People keep joining at 75, so we had to increase it. But we do have a sale on if you do want to join. I mean, Discord's just fire. We added another trader yesterday. Man, you guys are all clicking too much leverage because you don't want to confess. You don't want Google to know that you pick your nose while farting and biting your nails at the same time. You're that guy. Hey, good morning. Wanna some beatbox? Yeah, maybe if you're good. What's going on? Good morning, everybody. Dusty, good morning. Spee, good morning. Massey, good to see you. AJ, Patrice, Saphir, good morning, everybody. No poll today. Morning, missing the box. Missed the box. Yeah, we had the pink box down here for the gang. I had a 10x leverage, so I got wicked out and then would have made 6 figures. Let's go. Yeah, that guy. What's going on, Baytay? Good to see you. Hammy, good morning. Correction or new all-time high? All-time high. Just because we didn't take this low. If we had taken this low, I would have been my sentiment would have been a bit different. So we're stuck in the middle right now, everybody. We didn't take this low. We haven't taken this high. So we're in a very short term, like 15-minute downtrend here. Maybe 30-minute. Are we 30-minute downtrend? Yeah, we're 30-minute downtrend. We're 30-minute downtrend here. So we need to break this high first. We did not break this low, which is good. We were all looking here in the Discord. Gotta love that pink box. And we got the nice bounce out. So a little bit of patience here. How's everybody doing this beautiful Tuesday? Philly Skills. Good to see Jay, French Toaster, Orhan, Marcello, Saphir, good morning. Taz, Orhan, Tracy, PB Stack, good to see you guys. Buying tools, buying fishing lures, buying bikes. I mean, I'm dying to buy I don't know. I want to buy a dirt bike. Like, I want to get an enduro for where I live because obviously it's mountain country here, baby. It's like I'd love to get like a nice little enduro so I could actually ride the streets and rip the trails, but who makes a good enduro these days though? Yamaha? Cowie? Does Cowie make a good enduro? Anybody know bikes? Come on. KTM? GG's. Yeah, GG's, everybody. You're telling me the day before. I've told you guys the sale's coming in. I told you last week. I told you yesterday, the day before yesterday. I'm sorry, man. At least it's not $88. You paid $75. So you didn't save $10 a month. I'm sorry. He confessed to picking his nose. Thank you for joining the gang, Andrew. God bless you, man. Patrick Swayze. Avi Moore, DJ Mac, top of the morning. Everybody here is they're all confessing to picking their nose. Okay. See how we behave here coming down to VWAP. A little bit of topping action here. Into a nice 30-minute order block here. We'll see how it behaves. Just continuing to climb, which looks good. BNB, guys. It's all about BNB. ETH looks absolutely beautiful. ETH is ready to pop, lock, and drop it. Okay. Vitalik Buterin's schlonging here. Okay, so looking to go. I don't trade ETH, but ETH has been a very good tell. We got BNB giving up. BNB just... It's got big CZ Canadian Asian energy, man. This is beautiful. Three yellow raisins on the way up here. Beautiful. A beautiful pump. Okay. It has flipped XRP, guys. This is no joke. This is no joke. Solana here. Solana is just chopping the top right now, so warning signs. These are like, if we lose the low here, then we're in trouble. Then we coming down, okay? But bulls are defending quite nicely. We'll see how it behaves coming into market open. 12-minute here, a little bit exhaustion. So what I want to see, high taken, retracement, and continuation. Okay, that's it. If this, then that. So right here, we're kind of in no man's land. It needs to show me structurally where it wants to go. It needs to take this high. Okay. Beautiful hanging man, bullish engulfing candle here. If anybody was trading in the Discord last night, for all my Australians, you would have had a nice pink box setup in here. If you go on your 3-minute, where we look for these, you had your very aggressive pin bar hammer candle engulfing with a break of structure here. So you're just looking for the pullback. Here's your pullback and your continuation out. So stop loss goes below the low here, and money you should have made. But very simple. Nice level though. Nice level. Level in the Discord, paying well. See if we get follow through here. Just trying to remain patient. So what I didn't realize, guys, with the microphone, because the microphone is sexy with the new setup, with the focus rate and all that, but I didn't realize that I needed to get So this thing's called a dynamite enhancer. Uh-oh. I got... Okay. And you can get a cloud something it's called. It's called a cloud something. It's this thing. Sorry about the flashbang. So this thing you plug into your mic, so I don't have to turn up the gain so much. You plug it into your mic. It's a preamp mic booster, you see? And it adds some dB to it, and it makes it a little bit, so I don't have to crank my focus rate up, okay? This is what I found, okay? So, when I'm dynamite saying ayo, okay? You can get it's called a cloud something mabobber, too. Good morning, Armory Piper. Good to see you. Going to buy a few Harleys? Nice, man. Let's go. He's going to get wrenching. Doesn't nail biting automatically come with higher leverage? I used to be a very aggressive nail biter. I no longer bite my nails. That was a bad habit. I used to do that quite often. So quit smoking, no nail biting. My God. I'm just killing it. Matthias, good morning. It would be so annoying if BTC would just climb now endlessly on. Yeah. Well, I mean, I wouldn't complain. I'd love to see Bitcoin top out by the end of October, and then altcoin season, be done for the day, sell my bags, and walk away. Shri and Pandy, what's going on, man? Good to see you. F-bomb. Is 30x leverage bad, Albert? So understand this. Leverage is a tool. Leverage is a tool for what? Okay, there's two uses for leverage, right? You should always be risking 1% of your capital per trade. Okay, so if you have a $1,000 account, you should be risking $10. That is law, okay? Leverage is a tool. Leverage is so that you can trade multiple pairs. So your leverage will give you a liquidation level. Okay, it'll give you a liquidation level, but it'll allow you to trade pairs. So you can put on whatever, 10, 50x leverage. I don't care what leverage you use, as long as you're risking 1%. So you can use leverage to trade pairs. Let's say you want to trade ETH, you want to trade Solana, you want to trade Fartcoin. You use leverage so you can risk the same 1% per trade on all of those. That's why you're using leverage. The other reason why you're using leverage and why I use leverage is to keep less money on an exchange. That's the only reason. I do not keep my 100K account on Bitunix, okay? I do not trust Bitunix with my 100K account. So I will keep typically 20 to 50K on the account, okay? And then I will deposit it into a hot wallet, or I'll deposit it into profits, okay? Or I'll deposit it into my exchange and convert it to Canadian dollars, okay? But it's a tool used to keep to trade multiple pairs and to keep less money on an exchange, okay? That's why you use leverage. No other reason, okay? I don't care what you can use 200x leverage as long as you're using 1% risk management. I don't really care what you do with it. Leverage is a tool. It's not for you to go full degen. I used to go full degen, and I got nowhere. Good morning, Army Piper, Sniper's Nightmare, nonstop. Okay. Good morning, Darren Does Things. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Good morning, everybody. KTM makes a good enduro. Better frame for enduro. 390. We're going to go shopping, guys? Don't tell the wife? Oh. Sorry. I get excited, guys. I don't know if I could license this, though. Clutch in, revs up. Yeah, yeah. So it's a 400. I could rip this thing, man. See, I like that. I like skeleton frame. I don't know, guys. Are we gonna go? They got so much. Should we get a two-stroker? A good old 250? Guys, I'm not big, right? I mean, a good old two-stroker, 250. That's plenty of bike for me, man. For what I want. All right. Don't be a namby-pamby, AlexOCrypto. We're gonna get to 500. Don't be a namby-pamby. A 450 is like, guys, we're pushing it. This is a rocket ship, guys. There's no way. This thing, I'd be like, I'd hit a bump and I'd just hit a bump and I'd be gone. We're gonna go shopping? No shopping. No shopping. Nothing beats a Vespa. I love a KTM though, man. KTM's I'm a big Cowie guy too. I love Cowie, man. The 350 is plenty of bike, man. I used to have a 1996 Honda. This was my old bike, guys. This is what I used to ride when I was a when I was a kid, man. This was my bike growing up. Right here. This was my bike growing up, guys. 1996 Honda Shadow, man. I love my God, nothing better than this. This was my baby, man. When I was a kid, this was my baby. Look, I had mini apes though. This was my baby growing up. Cruising, baby. Just cruising, man. Nothing better, man. Good bike, man. Reliable, easy to work on as a kid. Easy oil changes, man. That was my baby. I grew up. I should have blacked it out like this. That would have been cool. 96 Honda Shadow, man. That was my baby. I got some pictures somewhere. Checking bonk at the moment. Good morning, wifey. Good morning, Pink. Good morning, Meth. Good morning, Matthias. F-bomb, Orhan. Morlac. Good morning, guys. Petillion. Vincenzo La Spezza. Buongiorno. Come stai? Wick's wife. I just got 10% hotter. Let's go, baby. If you stream with OBS, you can fix the gain stage problems with the compressor. I'm going to get that dynamite thing, so that should be all right. Good afternoon, Trace, K-Pack, Cyrus, Orhan. Buenos mornings, Master Atta. The creatine farts. He's unstoppable now. Yeah, don't deadlift too much, man. I got a 300-pound deadlift. For a hobbit, it's pretty good, man. I got a pretty good, not a bad deadlift, 300 pounds. For my size, like I'm 140, 150 pounds soaking wet, so. Non-stop, what's going on? Two-stroke will be a rocket. Yeah. Two smoker for the win. Brap. Yeah, I mean. That's fun, man. You need to think this through if you want an enduro. Yeah. But a 2T, man, the two smokers are fun. Come on. We got to. Come on. My cousin actually races bikes, like dirt bikes, professionally. Like he's an animal. Like I hate riding with him, man. He is an absolute beast. He's an absolute beast. Now that he has a kid, though, he doesn't ride that much. He used to compete in everything. You had a Duca? Nice. A Ducati Monster or what? We call those we call those Ducati Musters. Yeah, last time someone mentioned scooters, they got a timeout. Yeah. Absolutely. Good morning, Mab. Good to see you. Check out Starvag. See, I'll never go electric, guys. I'm way too conservative to get an electric scooter. Okay, or whatever. There's some. Okay, don't get me wrong. There's some electric mountain bikes because I hate pedaling uphill, guys. Okay, electric mountain bikes. I'll do that, but I ain't getting no electric bike, man. I will 100% get as much gasoline powered vehicle, especially in where I live. Up north, your EV is not going to like the battery life in cold weather is so bad. It's so bad. I mean, there's this person who went from, I think it was like Ottawa to Mont Tremblant, which is like a ski resort, and it's like 400 kilometers, and their Tesla could do like whatever 500, and the Tesla, because it's so cold, it only got like 330, and they broke down at the side of the road. And then on the side of the road, it's minus 20 degrees, and there's no power in their vehicle, so they can't warm up the car. And they were like almost freezing to death by the time help came. I mean, EVs in Canada are stupid, man. Unless you're doing like in-town driving in Toronto. Idiot. Nice hammer candle here, sweeping the low. Trying to push here. A little bit overextended, guys. 12 minutes overextended, 24 is overextended. Just climbing wall of worry right now. VWAP's resetting. A little bit of patience here, guys. Thank you for being here, everybody. Thank you guys for smacking up the like button, subscribing if you're new. We got 330 people here. We're finally doing the sale on the Discord. We're too busy talking about motorcycles this morning. You guys get me all distracted. Rock Anatoly Pal. Yeah, that would be fun. God bless you, meth head trader. Jin, what's going on? What's the difference between your two subscriptions right now? One's more expensive. That's it. My wife wouldn't mind you clicking on the $88 one. I suggest you click on the $65 one. But my wife doesn't really care what you pay. Mont Tremblant. They're the exact same. They're the exact same. A little bit of exhaustion here. East trying to push here. East looks strong again. What a move from East yesterday. Continuation. Clear as day. Buying pressure here. BNB, big scam wickety wick. We're going to go and trade BNB today, guys. No, man. I wouldn't touch this. Yeah, that's nasty, guys. Don't touch this. BNB's flying, though. It flipped XRP, man. That's massive. That's a big market cap to flip. ETH looking hella strong here. Retest of previous highs. Continuation trade. Yeah. Solana's looking quite dismal, though. Solana's looking weak considering it's getting an ETF on Friday. Bitcoin chopping at the top. No trade here. Imbalance below us. So for me right now, a little bit of patience is required. Obviously, in the Discord, we had our pink box set up down in here. Price coming down, rolling over last night. A big old topping tail here. Like I said before, when we're looking at Bitcoin price action, what we can see here on our way up is that the 4-hour has been the tell, man. Like if you look at the 4-hour candle and you recognize the topping candle, you took a short, that it would have been very successful. You can see that throughout this price action here. So there's been some good tells on the 4-hour here. Continuing to chop here. Now, I do like the 4-hour VWAP. This does look strong here. Let's just go back to our daily candle. And the daily candle is suggesting a little bit of exhaustion here. So for me, right now, a little bit of patience is required to see if we're going to get follow through. Chop at the top is always concerning, especially when I would look for this thing to come back and retest in here. Okay? Breakout, retest, continuation. However, not necessarily needs to happen. When we look at aggressive moves in the past, okay, you can see how we chop up and up only here. So we get this massive push, which we've had, right? And then you get this kind of uptrending channel here. And then you get the fake out. So this is the one we have to watch out. We got to watch out for the push and then the fake out. Okay? Okay, because the push and the fake out will wreck everybody. We want to really get on here. Doesn't mean we can't jump on long here, but that's something that I'm paying attention to. Same with up in here, right? So this is a very aggressive move in here. You can see how we chopped, right? And then we continued. So very possible for us to continue here. Not saying it's going to happen. I'm just saying that's what I'm preparing for, especially with this massive kind of bullish news here. This just looks like very much continuation, chop at the top, and I wouldn't be surprised if we do push here. So I'm prepared for that. A lot of things are showing signs of strength. So we'll see if we get it today. The NASDAQ looks really strong as well again. Okay. Continuing to climb as well. NASDAQ has been climbing before market open recently and then dumping hard and then doing the move. And this is the move that I've caught like numerous times in the past couple weeks. It's made me an extortionate amount of money. So we continue to prepare for that. Now, the S&P climbing the wall of worry. No all-time high yet, but still climbing that wall of worry. Leaving a gap down below. That's the one concern that we have from the other day. The dap down below. The dabs down below, guys. Don't be doing dabs while trading. Is concerning, but you know, S&P can go sideways as Bitcoin goes up. ETH is looking strong. BNB is looking strong. AI tokens yesterday. So we had a big run up from BitTensor. Okay, that was a nice move here on BitTensor. You can see that. Whew, baby. Oh, baby. So some real good signs throughout the market. Yeah. Even some meme coins are going off. So some rotation, some things to be aware of. When looking at Bitcoin here, we can simply see that we're climbing, right? We're climbing. It looks strong. Continuation here. Need to take this high. First and foremost, need to close above this high. Then we can look to get possibly gig along, okay? The issue is that there's a little bit of imbalance. We came down last night into our key level, but we did not come for a retracement. So this always remains a target before continuation, just in general, okay? So we need to be aware of that in order to be prepared. When we flip through our catalog here on Market Cipher, we can see that the daily still has lots of room to the upside. A little bit of a cool off here and pinching on momentum waves, resetting on our beautiful VWAP here and money coming out. So a little bit of, you know, this could take probably until Friday. That would look like, because what we're looking for is this. We're looking for this thing to do this, right? So maybe delayed. We'll see if it defends the zero line here, first and foremost, okay? The 12-hour as well. Chopping sideways, resetting, looking for the VWAP to blast through the zero line. Same deal. Money looks absolutely incredible here. Just ramping all the way up here. This is beautiful. Okay, so Any sort of reset still leaves a lot of room to the upside for any of this move. So this is still looking very strong. Just a little bit of exhaustion at the top here. So be careful, right? Make sure you're paying yourself along the way. But the trend is clearly up. The sentiment's clearly up. We are clearly pushing. It's looking strong. Okay, 8-hour money flow is looking strong. 4-hour pig nipples all the way through. No trigger wave. So whenever you get this is just up only price action. Up only, up only. The reset comes with the trigger wave. So this would come down and like that, and that's where you look to short right here. Okay? That's the tell. For just doing this is higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Money flow continuing, higher low, higher low. VWAPs are for buying. Buy, 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 and you make lots of money. Buy, 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 buy. Okay? And you can see how that has worked very nicely. Okay? So far so good. See if it wants to continue. The 2-hour trigger wave looks juicy right now, something we're looking at in the Discord. Continuation out. Okay, 1 hour, nice wave to the upside. So want to see the break of structure. Up only is a cause for concern. You can see all the green candles in a row, right? So continuation here. We got 5 white soldiers this time. Okay, they brought extra some days, guys. We got 3 yellow raisins. We got 5 white soldiers. I mean, it gets a little ridiculous, right? So we are looking for this. We'll see what we get, okay? It's been very sporadic price action, so be prepared for that. The way you make money in this market right now is you wait, okay? If you don't know how to wait, you got to practice, man, okay? All day yesterday, all I did was wait and then execute. Wait and then execute. All day yesterday. It was a great trading day for me. But it's just like, if you can go in here on your 3-minute time frame, you guys know me. We took a great long yesterday on the live stream. Great job. GG's, everybody. Let's get some GG's, some gang in the chat. Come on, guys. Pump that chat. These are rookie numbers right now. We're at 370 viewers. We're about to buy a motorcycle. So if you just timed these, right, you would have been in the money, right? I mean, great trade yesterday. I managed to take a bunch of Solana trades as well. Okay? But it's about waiting for this, waiting for this, waiting for this. Okay? Patience, patience, patience in this environment, right? They're enticing buyers right now. What are they doing? They're chopping the top. Buyers, 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 buyers. Buy buyers. Leverage traders gone. Send the price up. Okay? So we're waiting for something like this, right? And this is going to be nasty right here. So you don't buy it here. You don't buy it here. You wait, you wait, you wait, you wait, you wait. Zip, go, right? And if you can identify the zip and go, right? The zip and go right here. The zip and go like we did yesterday. Great job. Okay. The bullish engulfing candle here. Great job. The bullish divergence right here. Great job. Okay. The zip and go right here. VWAP slap. Okay. You just got to jump on trend, guys. You don't have to buy it here. You just got to jump on trend. Just like we did yesterday. We bought it here. Remember, we bought it here. We made $400. Okay? So, patience, patience, patience will pay. Okay? Bitcoin pushing, baby. Let's go. Take that high. Come on now, Bitcoin. 144 likes, 400 people in here. Thank you guys for being here. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully, you're all having a wonderful day. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for admitting that you guys all pick your nose while farting and eating your nails. We do have our final boss sale for the Discord going on now, if you do want to join. Apparently, I'm trading hype today. Let's go, Bruteberry. My man. God bless you, man. God bless you. What's going on, guy? Good to see you. Look at that push, baby. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Naturally, baby. SFP of the high here. Continuation. Bitcoin ripping, baby. SFP Continuation. ENA's breaking out. Bitcoin's breaking out. Good morning, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Awesome. Awesome. Nice push here for Biddy. Ethereum trying to break out. Solana bouncing. My God. I can smell the FOMO. This new microphone. Whew. Oh, man. My God. You guys stink. Stop farting and biting your nails. Solana breakout retest continuation trade here. Oof. Look at this thing. Let's see how it reacts. Liquidity. Oh my God, that was a nice run up here. Biddy pushing, baby. Let's go. Pivots of the day. Yeah, okay. The open. We got the open up here coming back. 125. I just say 25,000, guys. You guys know there's 100 in front of that, right? 100. Do you guys say 100 or 100? I say 100. Is that weird? Do you guys say 100? 100,000? I go 100,000. Anyways, who cares? You can call me AlexOCrypto. 125, yeah, see? Don't sign up for the Discord just yet, everybody. We're going to do a giveaway today. One giveaway. Steve H., what's going on? I love how you changed your name, Brew. Good to see you, man. Welcome, Steve H., to the party, bro. We're going to Valhalla today. 100. Yeah, that's it, man. It's 100. And if you are part of the Discord already, you can participate. We'll give you some USDT. Okay? This is never financial advice. This is just me here hanging out with you guys, pressing buttons, hopefully helping you navigate the charts. Welcome, everybody, and thank you for being here. We're live every morning, Monday to Friday, Eastern Standard Time, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., having fun, talking smack, pressing buttons, clicking buttons successfully. Had a $4,000 day yesterday. Incredible day. Man. Good fun. Showing you the trades, making crypto honest again. Making crypto honest again is our goal. I don't know if it was ever honest, but, we're here trying to spread love, joy, have a little giggle. Trading is very stressful, so we try to have a little bit of fun. So if you guys don't mind having a little giggle with me and hanging out and talking smack, looking at motorcycles, whatever, making fun of scooter kids. But we're here, trying to be. We're always honest and transparent, and I don't need to say this. I show you guys every day. My son is currently knocking on my office door. Therefore, I'm going to go and say good morning to him. I'll be right back. Let me put on some music for you guys because you guys are beautiful. Bitcoin to the moon. Up only, baby. No trade for me. But here you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey, buddy. What's going on?
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Buying tops? I see you buying the top. I see you buying the top, man. You guys are too much, man. Top buyers. Break a structure. Beautiful candle close. Now we're looking for a higher low. See? Little man. I see you guys all buying the top there. You guys all nasty with it. You guys all FOMO. You guys all FOMO Nomo. I got a video called FOMO Nomo. Okay? In the Discord. If you're joining the Discord, I mean the Discord is so fire, guys. I don't even know how to explain. Today you got a live stream from CVO. Okay, you go in here. We just added another trader to the Discord. So we got CVO, HRJ, TradeFly, Wave Cipher just got added. AlexO, Brewberry, Kyle, setups. Brewberry just crushing it himself. You just absolutely spoiled. Even last night, we called the pink box here. You know the pink box? You see the big pink box here? All right, that was given in advance for you guys last night. There you go. There's your big pink box. That's where we were looking for the bounce. Guess what? We came down to the pink box. We bounced. Anyways. Not only that, you have family lessons. You have basically a course here. You go into mindset videos. If you're struggling with, confidence, there you go. Mindset, there you go. A trading a narrative, okay? Hesitation, bias, okay? Revenge trading. But then you got FOMO Nomo, okay? FOMO Nomo. Stop you from buying tops, okay? And then you get all the strategies, all the setups. You get all the lessons. You get live streams every damn day from all these guys. Whether you're Australian, Afghanistani, Somalian, I don't know what's another, Icelandic, Peruvian, Canadian, from Ragnarok, you will get the setups, okay? Doesn't matter where you're from. We love everybody. Just be kind, don't be a douche canoe, and we will serve you. We have the sale going on. This is the final countdown, man. It's the final countdown. And don't be a lurker. Yeah. Say good morning. Shout out to Pakistan. Shout out to Iranians. Shout out to Indians. All you guys with your ands. I'm a Canadian. It's all the same, man. We're all God's people, man. We're all God's people, man. Love everybody. Be kind. If you haven't called your family and said I love you in a while, I suggest you get off my damn stream and go and say that to your mom. Call your mom. Call your wife. Call your kids. Life's too short, man. We're looking at fucking candlesticks right now, guys. Come on. And that is my first swear word of the day. Okay? Good morning, Progress Forward, Chad, Spee, K-Pack, No Diggity, DJ Mac. Good morning. Slam Banjo. Good morning, bro. What's going on? Mississippian. Let's go, Mississippians. Canadianistani. Canadianistani. I can be Canadianistani if you want. Call me profitable. Guys, I see you buying tops, man. Is this just up only right now? My God. Is Donald Trump buying or something? This is such a fake out. I don't care what you say, this is a fake out. ETH breaking out. Oh, ETH is gone. ETH is gone, guys. See ya at all-time highs. Ethereum. I mean, we're getting excited over a 0.5% move. Let's be patient here. Clicks buy. Let's be patient here. Clicks buy. That's me. I'm kidding. French Toaster, my man, member of the Discord. The bravest toaster in all of crypto. Thank you for the 10, man. God bless you. Let's see some lurkers in the chat. We got Crash Kurs, Lurker. Captain Swag, Lurker. Cam, Lurker? Chris Stapps, Lurker. Stay Humble, Lurker. Elo Brown, everybody, let's say hi to Elo Brown, my man. God bless you, bro. Elo Brown, if you guys aren't aware, Elo Brown, good friend of the channel. He's been here for quite a long time, a couple of years now. He is the one who gifted me the intro song. You can all thank Elo Brown for this. Thank you, Elo Brown. God bless you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, man. Elo Brown in the chat. My man. L Coops Lurker. Sierra Toys Lurker. Michelle Lurker. Ben Tantoman Lurker. What's going on, Elo? Good to see you, man. Yo, we talked about BNB right at the beginning, Mike. It's ripping, man. Where have you been, Mr. Elo Brown? Miss you, man. How have you been? Diaz, Army Piper. Farhad, Madassi, Soul Pumping. Let's go, baby. FOMO Nomo, yeah. No need to, there's no trade here, guys. There's no strategy that says buy here. Oh, but the 1 minute order block retest continuation trade, AlexOCrypto. Okay. Whatever you're into, bro. Breakout retest on Ethereum. Looking for this. All-time high. All-time high today, guys. Put a 1 in the chat for all-time high for Ethereum today. What do you guys think? Resistance for Solana. Bitcoin trying to continue. BNB going to the moon. Flipping XRP today. Incredible move. You got to break a structure in here. Continuation. Now we're looking for higher lows. A little bit of patience here. We've gone through top-down analysis. Our bias right now is to the upside. Now that we've broken structure, we got a 2-hour trigger wave to the upside. The 30-minute has nice view up continuation here. Looking to continue to push. Coming back for some possible late shorts last night. So let's just be patient here. Coming into our golden pocket retracement level. Trying to see if this thing does get a reaction here. A little bit of patience. See what happens here. This is our initial sell wall that we are looking at. Then we're looking to come to the high. So nice push here for Biddy. Nice push here for Biddy. I know the Discord all bought the pink box at 4 a.m. You guys are all smashing pink boxes at 4 a.m. Good job, everybody. We do have a sale on the Discord right now. So it's the final sale. Final sale. Prices. You can see what the price is going up to. We've made a conscious decision The reason why we keep increasing the price in the Discord is because our Discord's like family, right? And for me, if I'm not able to serve the family members individually on things they're struggling with, I mean, if there's too many damn people, then I gotta stop people from coming in. I know it's a good problem to have, but it's also an annoying problem to have because I'm a very busy person, but I do want to give the time needed to help you become profitable, to help you recognize your things that you should be switching in order to become a profitable trader. Because let's face it, at Discord you can have signals, you can get spoon fed, and we do a lot of spoon feeding in the Discord, tons of spoon feeding. However, if I can't show you how to fish, I've failed you. Okay, I have failed you. I want to give you Sniper Nightmares lures. I want to give you the Nimbus 2000 rod. I want you to have the risk management of a god. I want you to be able to compound an account, and I want you to be able to quit your damn job and sit here and click buttons with me full time. And be like, Alex, help me quit my job and click buttons full time. That's it. That's it. Crypto Billy, what's going on, bro? CB, bro. How you been, man? Guess where we're going today, Crypto Billy? Tuesday, baby. I guess I'll call you. I'll call you on the 9th hole, bro. I'll call you on the 9th hole. Tuesdays are for golfing. Good morning, Nathan. I mean, we got snow last week, Billy. The season's almost over. You got to get it in, man. This is why we don't buy the top, guys. Golden pocket retracement level, rejection here. You get all these levels in advance. Pretty wild. Hope you can get off the forklift. Yeah, man. I mean, I swung a hammer in the winter, in the summer. You know, being a carpenter sounds cool. Oh, you're framing a nice house. I mean, how do you think all the 2x4s got on that roof? How do you think all that all those sheets of plywood got on that roof and spread out? How do you think that concrete column got put up? It ain't pretty, guys. I mean, you do that for 12 hours a day. You come home. You learn the charts. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about, man. It's not easy, man. It's not meant to be easy. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. That's why 80, 90% of people lose trading, man. Okay? Keep doing what the 80% of people keep doing, and you'll find you'll get the same results, right? You'll be one of these people. Where's my favorites here? You'll be one of these guys. This guy. Don't be one of these guys. Bah, okay? My 1-year-old son says bah. Okay? Don't be one of these guys. Welcome, Nathan. That's a good side quest, K-Pack. Too many sheeple, man. And I get it. There's a lot of people here who just come to copy trade and hang out and just wait for me to say I'm buying or I'm selling. And this is never financial advice. I mean, I think we take pretty good trades here. We show you everything. We're transparent and all that good stuff and manage our risk and all that. So hopefully I can demonstrate kind of, what real trading does look like. I can show you the account. I mean, I started this account 3 weeks ago. No, 3 months, sorry, 3 months ago. 3 months ago at $14,000. It's now at, okay. I don't need to come on here and brag. I've had some good weeks. Okay. It's been good. Okay. But at the end of the day, it's about risk management, taking high probability trade setups, and being patient. Once you're up for the day, I'll be up $800 on the day. I'll cut it, right? I had a $4,000 day yesterday, whatever. But I take my profits and run. If there's nothing there, I'm not interested, right? That's how we roll here. That's it. No need to be greedy. What's going on, Denmark dude? Good to see you. Martin Christensen. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, bro. Good morning, Golden Child. Emma Coiner. Short ETH, what do you think? Well, ETH's coming back for a breakout retest, right? It's clearly showing strength this morning, not something that I would typically fade. You look here, Solana's down 0.6%. ETH is up 1%. Bitcoin's break even, right? So BNB's running the town at 8% up already, right? So ETH is outperforming Bitcoin right now. So ETH is kind of leading the way. Right into our sell wall here. This is your typical golden pocket retracement level. So you typically do get a minor reaction here at minimum, right? So you swing low to swing high. We're prepared for it, right? We give you these key levels all the time, right? What's important right now that we understand is that even though we have gotten rejected from our golden pocket here, is that we never took this low down here. This is our hourly low. We swept it last night, okay? When we were looking for the low down here to come in, okay, the key is that we've broken structure here. So now we're looking for this imbalance area here as a target for price to come into, have a nice reaction, and send it to Valhalla, okay? Very simple. So how do we do that? Well, we zoom in a little bit and we pull out our key levels and, pull your fib, pull my fib, whatever your fib you're pulling, and we try to take advantage of price action. So we go swing low to swing high. We can see that there is liquidity on this golden pocket in here, so we're interested in this area in general. Okay, so we can mark that out. But we can also see that we're in an up-only environment here, and there is a lot of liquidity in this low, so we can see the liquidity resides here, right? So for me, that tells me that this is an area of interest for price to return to and possibly sweep and bounce, okay? So I'm aware of where the money is. Where's the money? I'm also aware that we have broken out here, so a breakout retest is very possible, okay? So we can look for continuation here. So there's a lot going on all the time, right? And we can pull order blocks, and we can see there's a nice order block in here as well. We can see a bunch of stuff. So really it's if this then that. So if I know that where I'm looking for trades, right? All in here, right? All in here. Well, where are you supposed to get long in here, Alex? Well, price will tell you that. That's why price action is king, right? You have price action with volume, which makes up your market structure, which hunts liquidity. This is it. This is all you need to understand. If you don't understand this, go back to your drawing board and practice. All right, because you're going to have a bunch of candles moving on. Let's keep it simple. You have a bunch of stupid candles moving up and down on your chart. You're waiting for that candle to come into an area where multiple things say that it can go the opposite direction. Or where multiple things say it can go the opposite direction. Where multiple things say it can go the opposite direction. If this, then that, okay? And if you have that reaction that you like to see, which we teach, then you can press buy or sell. You press buy and sell. You risk 1% per trade. You have a good 3-to-1 risk to reward. And you look to make money. Okay, that's it. And we do that over and over and over and over and over and over again. So if you don't like doing this, you probably should quit now and go, I don't know, drop ship or something like that. I don't know, whatever you're into. Buy a laundromat and collect quarters. I don't know what you're into, but that's what we're doing here. We're clicking buttons. Okay? Fancy. I'm a day trader. I'm a button clicker. I was a button pusher, now I'm a button clicker, okay? My wife calls me the button pusher. But a profitable trader. We knew there was going to be a little bit of a chance for a rejection up here, right? But what do we need in order to justify shorting this? Well, I need a reaction here. I need now that we've broken this high, I need this low to be taken. Now we get short. There's no trade here yet. Unless you're taking like a little scalp. Maybe you take a little scalp into here. It's still very risky, right? There's no sense for me to short this here to only make, where am I going to put my stop loss? It's a 1-to-1 trade, right? The risk to reward here is not, the juice isn't worth the squeeze, right? And this tells me we've broken structure to the upside, so I should be looking for longs now, okay? Wild. Who would have thought? Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Much love to every single one of you guys. We got 500 people on here hanging out. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. We need one more like to get to 200. That would be cool. I shut up about the likes after 200 likes. I'm cutting out on audio. Yeah, I got to fix this thing, man. Is that better? Button pusher, yeah, it's different. Need volume, bro. Is that with the microphone? Did I break the mic already? Nah, the mic's all right. We're good now? Okay. I got an enhancer coming, so I don't have to turn up the volume so high on this thing. It's cranked right now. Like, it's absolutely cranked. Can I add an enhancer on Streamlabs? Is there like a filter for it? Look at this. Now we're in the matrix, guys. So I go in here, mic, right click, filters, edit filters, add a filter. What do we have? Gain, compressor. Is it compressor maybe? You guys got to tell me here. I'm not a... I use a cloud lifter too. Yeah, I'm going to get the... I got a dynamite coming in. Cutting out lots on my end. Okay. Anyways, I'll have a play with it. What's going on, Domagala? What's going on, man? Good to see you. I got the dynamite thing coming. This is on its way right now. This thing should help. It's not cutting. I got this thing coming right now. So I don't have to crank up my focus right. So I just plug this in and it adds some dB to Solana's mooning. Let's go, baby. We're looking for a retest on Sol this morning. Nice momentum break here on Solana. Inverse head and shoulders. I got the dynamite song stuck in my head now, guys. You guys are brutal. I could dynamite. Oh my god. So lame. I gotta listen to some metal after this. Or some hip hop. I was listening to some sweet hip hop beats this morning. That's where, like, 90s hip hop's where, like, that's where I live, guys. That's where I live. It's just like good skate music back in the day, man. It's just like, you know, it's that very simple yet nostalgic 90s feel, you know? Biggie Smalls, you got it going on. You dead wrong. There's 7 different levels to devil worshiping, horse sex, human sacrifices, cannibalism, sexism, camels, mammals, and rabbits. But I don't get into that. I kick the habit. I just beat you. The devil weapons that eat through the flesh and never beat you unless the meat looks fresh. I got a 9 in my pocket, I'm lying. I got a 9 in my pocket, and baby, I'm just dying. The clock got me ready for war. I'm ready for war. I got Mercedes and Soul Skill, and he said he was raw. Yeah, let's go. Love it, man. Bongs, what are you doing, bro? Are you all right there? Goat, otter, turtle. Need to do a princess raid. Oh, we could do that. How's the audio? Is the audio okay, everybody? Check, check, check. One in the chat if the audio is okay. I think the audio is okay. Boom, boom. Audio is good. Okay, cool. It's low. If I crank it up too high, then it's going to be choppy. Retest to previous highs, continuation possibility here. No trade still. Wu-Tang. We love Wu-Tang, man. Let's go. A bit too quiet. See, I could turn it up, but then it would snap, crackle, pop on you guys. And I don't want it. Okay, rejection off golden pocket. Rolling over here. ETH still strong. Solana consolidating out here. 3-minute ETH here. ETH's been a good tell. We got 10 minutes till market opens, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. No trade so far, just waiting. A little bit of patience. NASDAQ, strong move, retest. Retest back in here. Yeah, looking good. ETH looking good. Sol looking good. Clear liquidity grab in here. Look at that support level, and bam. Okay, very nice bounce here. ETH's going to try to go all-time highs today, maybe. BNB is a good tell. The SPY, see, a little bit of an Adam and Eve here, so possible head and shoulders coming in. You know, this typically can break down. Target. We'll see where we gap. I would assume we would gap up, but let's just wait and see. Gap down below that we didn't fill yesterday. Interestingly enough, Bitcoin chopping at the, yeah, so sell side, you know, liquidity here, liquidity there. We got 10 minutes till market opens. I'm going to do a giveaway because I said I would before you guys consider joining the Discord. let's go over here. I need you guys to do me a solid here. We added a new trader to our Discord. He's a good friend of the channel, and absolute great human being. Okay. I would really appreciate if you guys just go over here on his most recent live stream here. Okay. He's a new trader, so we have like 7 traders in the Discord if you didn't know. So name's Wave Cipher. If we could get him to 500 subscribers, that would be great. Go over here, comment Otter Gang on this video, guys. Subscribe to his channel. He's at 478. You will learn a lot from this man. He is an absolute good human being, a great trader, great TA. He goes live in the evening, so it's nice to have like a little refresher at the end of the night. Go over here, comment Otter Gang. I'm going to go and do it too. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this guy. And we'll do a giveaway for the bull run. So much good stuff here, and you will learn a lot from this man. He's a new trader in our Discord. We just added him yesterday, increased the prices. We have a sale going on right now in the Discord. It's your last chance to lock in $65. Prices are going up to $88. Best Discord in all of crypto. I'm not even lying. It's just fire, okay? This is just straight non-financial advice, but it's an absolute riot in there. Just non-stop alpha. Okay. I think we can do better, guys. 523. I think we can do better. Let's see if we can get them up to 550 subscribers, guys. Let's see it. I'm going to go comment picker. We're going to add this in here. We're going to do the giveaway before market open here. There we go. Filter comments. We're going to put Otter 6. Get over here, like, subscribe, blast this guy's channel into the Otterverse. Utterly fantastic. Go and comment Otter Gang, gang, gang. Incredible. Incredible human, man. Gotta support the good people. That's what we're all about here. 70 comments. Here's the giveaway. All right, and if you are part of the gang, you can still win as well. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Joking goat giggles. Congratulations, gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. GG's. Thank you, guys. Go and check out Wave Cipher, man. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this guy. An absolute gem of a human. 550 subscribers almost. Great job, everybody. Great job. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come over here, Mr. Joking Goat Giggles. I felt like it was like a Woody Woodpecker kind of thing. And claim your prize. Welcome to the gang, 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 baby. We'll hook you up with a membership. Congratulations, man. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Congrats, man. GG's in the chat for Mr. Goat Giggles. He's been showing up. I like seeing people who show up and say good morning win every morning. So thank you for being here, Goat Giggles. Thank you for the good name. And congratulations, bro. God bless. I'm surprised Albert didn't win, though. I'm surprised Albert didn't win. Oh, man. Let's go, baby. Was that a Canadian with the buckets on his head? Yeah, that was, man. Absolutely. Oh, baby. All right. Congrats, man. What's going on, Trade Intuition? Good to see you, bro. Yeah, make sure you guys are going following all the creators who dropped through here. Trade Intuition, Billy Goat Tails, Wave Cipher, Army Piper, Crypto Princess. Look at this guy, Wave Cipher. He's coming and hanging out in the morning. What's going on, bro? We got AlexOCrypto in here. We get Randy Hipper. I mean, awesome, guys. Awesome. Good work. Coming into Market Open, everybody. Let's see what we get today. Thank you guys for being here. Like and subscribe, supporting fellow content creators, hanging out here. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get, guys. This is going to be an interesting market open. We obviously have ETH pumping. We have BNB pumping. We have Solana consolidating and looking to push forward here. Breakout. No retest continuation trade here. ETH. No retest continuation trade here. BNB flying off the wazoo. Okay, looking good. Looking good. I don't know. BNB is very much like TRX. It's very, in my opinion, it's highly manipulated. Okay, Binance is one of the richest exchanges in the world. Don't get it twisted. Okay, just like Aster. Okay, Aster is definitely very manipulated. BNB, you know, hyperliquid Aster. You know, you got your competition now, which is good. Always good for competition, but always be aware. Okay, always be aware. Nice push here, enticing buyers. Golden pocket rejection, looking for a continuation on Bitcoin. Now that we have a higher high, looking for a follow through here. We'll see what we get. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. A little bit of patience coming into Market Open. We got 3 minutes, so we'll see what we get here. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. Good morning, everybody. Aster is flying, and I hate it. Yeah, I mean, we gave an Aster trade setup on the weekend in the Discord. I know the gang took this long. I mean, you guys be printing. What is it? It's up 20% already. Discord's fire. If you can't make $65 from our Discord, I have failed you. my gold. Okay. Anyways. ETH looks like it wants to go to all-time highs today, guys. Very aggressive move the last couple of days. We'll see if it does want to continue. Bitcoin consolidating, rotating into altcoins. Dominance dropping a little bit right now. Be aware of that, okay? Let's see if we can follow through here on Biddy. S&P, we're going to guess gap up here. We'll see if we come for this high and then close back down, okay? NASDAQ continues to rip. Nice strong move here. We got our highs here. All-time high. Very good sign for strengths within the stock market. 12-minute overextended on market Cipher here. Same with 24. Coming down, reset of VWAP. So looking for a continuation. However, can this hourly candle push through the short-term time frames? That's what I'm kind of looking for here. I would prefer it to come back down in here, but what we prefer and what happens doesn't necessarily happen all the time. We're just prepared. So we'll see what happens. Liquidity in the lows here. Wouldn't be surprised if we sweep, bottoming, and go. Okay. If this, then that. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market is open. Ding, ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. No gap here, guys. Oh, gap up. Yep, there's our gap up. Okay. Big gap up here. Wouldn't be surprised if we come back and fill it. Fill it. NASDAQ, the last, whole weeks, all the weeks has absolutely pooped the bed and then recovered. Okay, this is where I've gotten long so many times on NASDAQ. It's done this so many times recently, guys. So many times. If you can identify NASDAQ dumping on people's heads and you can get long off of that, you are making the dollars, okay? So let's see what happens here. Bitcoin pretty flat. NASDAQ, what is the NASDAQ doing, guys? Same story, okay? Be aware of your conditions and what happens in most recent times. That's going to help you trade a narrative. It's going to allow you to wait for pullbacks. What have they been doing every morning? Everybody who's been here with me, they've been enticing buyers. Enticing buyers. They dump it on your head. They reclaim orb, and they push it to the moon. Correct? Correct. I know it because I've seen it every single day. So we remain patient. We wait for pullbacks. Let's see how price behaves. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hanging out here. 500 people in the chat. You guys are cool, man. All I ask is you say good morning. That's it. Don't be a weirdo. Good morning, Frank. VWAP's my girl, man. Trading wars in the future at all? I haven't had any notification about a trading wars going on again. However, I did beat CryptoFace in fantasy football yesterday. Finally, my first win. My first win in fantasy football, man. So I got the most points in the whole thing, man. I crushed it. I crushed it. The Canadian has had his first ever win in fantasy football. First ever win, baby. First ever win. Absolutely smashed it, baby. Smashed it. I restarted my YouTube and your cutting stopped before made a change. It's something on YouTube's end. Okay. Best bunch of utterly legends. Let's go, baby. I love everybody's kindness here. That's all right. I mean, if the volume's too low, you got a volume control. You can turn it up. If it's too low, I don't know what to do for you, man. I got the... Good morning, Mabel. Good to see you. Nicholas. TNB, good morning. Thank you for being here. Baby G. The DAC and the BTC, not recommended, but call spreads on EG. Knowing TA is lethal straight up. Yeah, absolutely, bro. YouTube's been trying to sabotage me from day one, Larry. They demonetized me for having misleading content because I show everything here. I'm like, this is like naked trading at all times. You see my wins, you see my losses. I take losses live all the time. I show you what I'm looking for, how I'm looking for it. There's our retest of previous highs, continuation out. Trying to push here. I mean, that's fine, man. Google and the Canadian government is always going to try and silence the good ones, you know? So it's an honor and a privilege that you guys have found me, you know, and you guys are here. So I'm just grateful, man. At the end of the day, I'm grateful. Not going to complain, right? Not going to complain. Complainers don't succeed, in my opinion. Get out your David Goggins. Get on with it, man. Just get on with it. Nice retest of previous highs. Continuation out. This is looking strong here. We got ETH. ETH looks good. Sol, SFP of the low. That's a nice sweep. Can this bounce? Sol looks really good here, guys. SFP right in here. Possible follow through. No trade for me right now. Just waiting. I still would like Sol to come here, but you don't always get what you like. We got momentum being held here. Okay, we can see that all the way through here. Liquidity in these lows here. VWAP here. Golden pocket here. So a lot of interest down here for a possible bounce. Why? Because we've broken highs here. So we're looking for the retest continuation. Okay, still waiting though. Nice bounce here for Biddy. NASDAQ pushing. Yep. Okay. Beautiful pin bar candle here. Looking for continuation through. 12 minutes still looking to reset here. Money flows crossing over. Looking strong. Trying to push back out. Nice bounce here. A retest of previous highs. Looking for continuation. Let me know in the chat. Is everybody long? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. And put some skis in the chat if you're sitting on your hands. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Too much fun, man. Joking Goat Giggles is already a member. Okay. Just open up a ticket, man. Open up a ticket. We'll send you some USDT, bro. Thank you for being part of the gang, man. God bless. Chopping here. Let me guys. You guys all along? Volume is still low. I can't change that, man. Otherwise, I'd have to yell. Check, 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 check. That's as high as I can turn it without clipping. It still clips a bit. We got some skiers in the chat. Good job, everybody. Volume is good. Volume is bad. Volume is good. I sound normal. Rolling over here. Sitting on the hands, man. Bro. You can shut up right now. I'll give you a day to think about what you just did, Guhan. Guhan Zoltan. Wah, Zoltan. Everybody, just so you know, Wave Cipher sounds so much better than me. Like, if you go over to Wave Cipher and you watch him tonight, he's got this crispy voice. So make sure you guys are subscribed to Wave Cipher here. If you go over to his channel tonight, he's got like that Barry White kind of, you know, 550 subscribers. Great job, everybody. Can't get enough of your love, babe. Wave Cypher's like meditation. Let's go. Here comes the Steve Ruggles, everybody. That's why we don't buy the top. Coming in for a VWAP slap. I'm prepared for a trade down here. See if it comes in. VWAP slap and go. Come on, baby. 938. Come grab some liquidity and fly. Look at ETH, humble pie, baby. Solana, humble pie, baby. There's the humble pie. Served up fresh. Hot and fresh, baby. Hot and fresh. Enticing buyers, guys. Same story. Same story. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to know to not touch it up here. Don't touch it. Like if you took the retest of the previous highs, you should be at least take profit 1, stop loss to entry. Here's our slap. No slap. Reaction. Hold. No. Down we go. Nope. Still waiting. I want to take it, but I'm not taking it. No trade. I was going to take it, guys, but I didn't take it. Okay? I think it can come lower. This is pretty aggressive. It could slap. I'm not saying it won't. I'm just saying we still got, this is market open. Remember where we're trading right now, which is very important. This is the first 15 minutes of the market open. It is always a gong show. So you must be patient. No green lights until 9:45. There's still liquidity here. It's enticing, guys. I really could consider buying this. I could consider buying this. Solana, SFP, a little bit more of a tell here. Order block retest here. No, not for me. No touchy. Still waiting. Good patience. Good job, gang. Good patience, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here. At the end of the day, I'm happy to protect the new trader, guys. Some new people come on here and they just listen to my voice, which is weird. And they click buttons, man, without risk management. And then they unsubscribe because I told them to get long and tell you jack diddly squat, man. This is never financial advice. We're just some hobbit in Canada riding a moose with my pet polar bear holding its ledger up its butt, okay? It's not a smart thing to just go on the internet and copy a hobbit, man. Nude people come on here. Yeah, that's it, man. Nude people all the time, Dave. I'm still waiting here. I really want to buy this, guys, but I'm not doing it. We push buttons. Yeah, we're button pushers here. If you want my ledger, go and ask my polar bear. Go go ask my polar bear for its financial advice. Good patience here, everybody. The rug show, man. This is good. This is good. Sweep of this low here. Solana. Biddy coming into our golden pocket retracement level now. Liquidity has been swept. I'm long. We'll see if we can push here. Oh, no bounce. No bueno. Still rolling over here. I thought liquidity would be swept. I waited, but not long enough. Probably going to get stopped out here, which is fine. I didn't wait long enough, everybody. Stopped out, $300 loss. On to the next one. $786 bounce. All the alerts going off. Coming back, late longs. Considering re-entry. Ouchie. Looking for a bounce out of here, guys. 786 continuation. Might come for the low, though. Did we get news or anything like that? No news? That's nasty, man. SFP of the low, no entry yet. Still waiting here, guys. Big dump here for Biddy. Back to our pink box. SFP of the low. Possible. Very possible. Big dump here. Humble pie, man. Elevator down. Stopped at once. Still waiting here. We'll see if it does want to bounce. No trade here. Now we're looking for the SFP at our pink box. If we do bounce up aggressively here, we can consider a long. Solana coming into our buy zone here. No trade. Still waiting. S&P rolling over a little bit. SPY trying to bounce. Bitcoin trying to bounce. If we close above this red line here, could consider a long. SFP still on the table here, everybody. Come on, Biddy, push. Push, Biddy. One minute on this candle here. Orb is in. What an orb. What an orb today, baby. That is an orb and a half. We're probably going to chop orb today if we're lucky. Still dumping here, guys. My God. Orby 1 Kenobi. Nice bounce on Solana. ETH getting bought up too, grabbing all that liquidity. Still interested in an SFP here for Bitcoin. SFP bounce. Might not get it though. Might just bounce here. So still waiting. No trade yet. One stop out, which is fine. $300 loss-ish. Plus fees. Looking for a bounce here. ETH trying to bounce. Sol trying to bounce. Bitcoin. NASDAQ flat. Consolidating. Bitcoin trying to go here. Reclaim of orb. See if it pushes here. Still waiting. Look at that. Fell off a cliff on the 15-minute here. That's nasty, man. That's some humble pie. Served up fresh. Nice pushback here. Can we reclaim that level? Support level? An orb? If we can reclaim the red line here and push, I'll hammer it. We'll see. Still waiting here. That was a hot, fresh serving of humble pie, man. Solana looking juicy here. ETH, nice bounce here. Can we see it for Biddy? Still got to close positive here. V-shape recovery. That would be sweet. Up to VWAP here. Nice little VWAP slap. No trade yet. Still waiting. $30 seconds. $30 seconds. Follow through. I do have a 30-second rule. I can front run this. Engulfing this candle would be better. Push Bitcoin. Don't be a namby-pamby. I'm long. Hammer time, baby. See if we can push up at least to VWAP here. 24K. Come on, Biddy, push. Don't be a namby-pamby. NASDAQ still rolling over. Could be continuation down. We haven't swept the lows, which is kind of concerning. So we'll see if we can hold here. If not, down we go. I like this candle. I like closing above this low here. I like closing above orb. I like that we broke structure up here. I mean, this might have to look like this, possibly. Let's see how it goes. Steve ruggling a little bit here. NASDAQ not looking too hot. East getting a little bit of a rejection. Sol getting a bit of rejection here. Maybe rushing it again, man. SFP? SFP maybe? What do you guys think? Dumpskis? One good loss, like that's fine getting stopped out for $270 or whatever, but should have probably waited for this candle. See if it defends this low. Looking a little weak here. Coming back for late longs though. Coming back for those longs here. Stop loss to entry longs. See if it can close above orb here. That would be bullish. If it doesn't close above orb here, it's concerning. Okay, we're okay. Still concerning though. Market Cipher looks good. 12-minute fell off a cliff. VWAP looks really good here. NASDAQ pushing here. East trying to go V-shaped recovery. Sol trying to go V-shaped recovery. Biddy's struggling. Biddy's Steve ruggling, man. A 30-minute trigger wave here. That's nasty, man. Nasty dump. Nasty dump. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Super weak. Yeah, poor pushback, right? It's just stalling out right now. Humble pie's not bad with coffee. See if we can push here, man. Let's go, Biddy. Don't be a namby-pamby. Stop Steve Ruglin and get on your bike. Get on your bike and start pushing, mate. The market maker says you need to come up to VWAP. Let's go, baby. Push it. NASDAQ breaking out. So SPY pushing. ETH looking to push. Solana V-shaped recovery. Come on, baby. Push. Confirm green dot 3-minute push. 8-minute trigger wave. Push. 12-minute VWAP overextended to the downside. Yeah, not so pretty. Okay. 24. Not so pretty. It's got to go here. It's got to go here, guys. It's really stalling out, though. Holy smokes. Take your time there, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. It's a better candle. It's not an engulfing candle. It's a better candle, though. Come on, Biddy. You can do it. You can do it, Biddy. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push. TP1 hit. Do you guys ever use the indicators on here? GG's, everybody. We're back to break even for the day. Do you guys ever use the indicators on this? I don't ever use the indicators on this. There's your VWAP. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Push. Retest the previous lows. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. I managed to be Irish, Scottish, and Australian in one accent. That's it. And I've lived in all three, man. I haven't lived in Ireland. Ireland. Rory McIlroy throwing beers at his wife. You're good looking. Can I get some gang, gang, gang in the chat? Who's taking the trades with you guys every morning? Come on, baby. Let's go. Push. You namby-pamby. Let's go. There's a sale on the Discord, guys, if you weren't sure. It's the last sale to rule them all. Okay? One sale to rule them all. I highly suggest when you're trading, you don't watch your trading screen. You watch TradingView. You take your emotions away from the from the price action. Okay, trade the setup, not the money. Our next take profits, retesting the previous lows. Maybe we should have gone to this low right here, but I'm not we could have looked for this low right here instead of these lows right here. I front ran these lows here, but maybe I should take this off, reevaluate, which is never a bad choice. It's always a good idea to reevaluate. Okay. Yeah, I don't mind getting stopped out here. Take another trade. Don't tell them. Don't tell them my stop loss is there, please. On to the next one. On to the next one, okay? See how we go here, okay? Orb is in. Trying to hold orb, trying to push here. We'll see if Bitcoin wants to continue. One win, one loss. Break even right now. Break even so far. We'll see what goes on. GG's, gang. Not looking too strong, guys, to be honest. This looks like it could possibly still come down. So I'm still going to remain patient here. It is 10:02. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream and hanging out with me today. Discord, there is a live stream from CVO Paul today. That's going to be incredible. You guys enjoy. Ask Paul lots of questions, man. He's a very knowledgeable trader, a very skilled trader. We also have Brewberry going live as well. Incredible trader. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out if you guys enjoyed the content. I will see you guys in the next one. Bitcoin doing its thing, man. Doing its thing. Have a wonderful day, everybody. God bless you. Sales on. We'll keep it on for a while. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Have a wonderful day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. That of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trader. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious.